So definitely you'll need a tire deflator when you're going to do a four-wheel drive.
That's off-roading 101. You lower your tire pressure down so you can have more traction and more grip on the ground.
Basic stuff. And for this product, for the XTM tire deflator, I'm just going to give it 4. 4 because price, I bought it cheap and it's on sale. The materials used, I think it's pretty good so far. Like I got this rubber case for the gauge. The only thing that made it 4-star is because of the rubber o-ring inside this thing. I think it's easily damaged, or maybe it's just me who use it wrongly, but I don't think so because this is just a straightforward instrument. You just need to tie it to this star valve and that's it. So yeah, I think it's just the product. Just going to blame it to the product. Yeah, so I'm going to give this a 4. And would you recommend to buy the XTM brand for the tire deflator? Yes, for the price, materials, it's functioned the same as the one with the ARB, so I'm happy with it. It's just that the O-ring, that's it. All right. next, the tire compressor. So with my Honda gave me 2 minute 30 seconds to inflate it, but put this gauge on, it only inflated me to 33 psi, or in fact I'm looking forward to 35. And then I got this item and I put it on a timer, gave me 1 minute 26 seconds, and it gave me 36 psi. Would you recommend this product? Yes, I'll give it a thumbs up because it saves me time and it seems durable. Mostly, though it kind of looked like the same with the one with Maxi Crack. Super cheap design and Ridge Rider. What I like about this thing is that it got this, maybe just this thing for the aesthetic part. At least I got something to look to, like the black and orange. Good combination, good color combination. The only thing that I don't like about this thing is that the switch is with the machine, and the leads, the power leads, are just short. Well, we got this long tubing, but if I'm going to air down my rear tire, I still have to walk back in the front and just turn it off. Also, what I hate about this stuff would be the gauge. Seems pretty inaccurate to me. So for the product materials, I haven't got any issues with these since I bought them. They look pretty durable. So when I air my tire, like my 4 tires, it do gets hot, but not too much. Maybe because we're just living in a cold country. But yeah, I see the tubing is good. The quick release works well with me. It's just the gauge. And for this one, materials, weight, platform and the base. Yeah, it's pretty satisfied at least. So maybe I'm going to give it let's say 4. I'd say 4. Would I recommend this product? Yes, I'm going to recommend this product, especially if you are just an entry-level four-wheel driver like me. Like, you don't have a lot of budget. Why would you go to those brand like ARB? They're pretty quite expensive, but they do function the same. They will still air up your tire. And yep, so I've been using these for a month now. So I've been going in and out of the town doing four-wheel drive all over the place. Also would like to emphasize the size. It's really portable, like yeah, really nice way to measure things, but it's really portable. I got this portable case so I could fit the air compressor inside, put my tubing and the tire deflator. Epic fail naman to. Done. Easy to carry, easy to store, not taking a whole bunch of space. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I haven't got any issues yet. So XTM, if you are a beginner four-wheel driver, price with these items, definitely it's a good buy.
If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you think not, please leave a comment. And yeah, thank you so much. I would like also to ask to support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.